Hi guys, in this video we are going to watch Amul Moti toned milk review and we will also try making tea and paneer out of this. So this is a 450 ml pouch and this comes at a price of rupees 32. This is homogenized toned milk which has fat minimum 3% and SNF is 8.5%. SNF is basically solid, not fat. The substance in milk other than water and butterfat are termed as SNF. And the shelf life of this pouch is 90 days, but when you open the pack, consume it within 24 hours. There is no need to refrigerate until you open. Once you open the pack, you are supposed to keep it in the refrigerator. Shelf life of this milk is high because this milk is processed at ultra high temperature to prevent cream layer formation on the top. Nutrients of whole cow's milk and this packed milk are almost identical with very minor differences in total calories as well as fat and protein content. And if we compare the taste of cow's milk and this milk, it's quite different. If you are used to drinking cow's milk, you probably won't like the taste of this plain milk, but you can try this one for making tea, paneer. So now we are going to make tea out of it and you don't have to boil the milk before making tea. For making tea, this milk I would prefer over cow's milk any day. It's rich in taste and the creamy texture make it perfect for making tea. Now let's make the paneer. For making paneer, first we have to boil the milk. Now add lemon juice, stir and give it 2 minutes. Now you can see the paneer and the water aside. And the paneer cubes were good actually. It did not dissolve in the gravy. The shape was intact. And this pouch is easily available online and offline stores. So you can give it a try, of course, for making tea and paneer. And that was all about it. Give it a try and subscribe for more.